sir. I've got a parrot with Mr. Poirot.
No. Poirot. It is pronounced Poirot.
I beg your pardon, Governor. I've got a Poirot with Mr. Poirot.
And please, do not fraternize with that creature. I am still training him.
It's only a parrot.
I was talking to the parrot. However, it is small remuneration for the 7 days enforced confinement to my own home, having to listen to the non-stop demented squawks and the screechings. Mais, madame et monsieur, I want you to observe something very closely. Oh, well, at least it was worth a try.